All right, for this next demo, we're going to take a look at the discovery process. And so we're going to get right to it. So we're going to come over here to the discovery option here in the left-hand nav, click on discovery, and then we're going to do a couple things here. One, we're going to take a look at the various sources that we have provided to us. We're going to pick on the, select the Active Directory domain. You could pick any of these vaults here. We're going to select this one. Then we're going to take a look at a few configuration options within it. So we're going to look at domain scope. So this is where we're pointing to OUs within our directory structure. And then lastly, we're going to take a look at scanners, and we've dragged and dropped these and placed these on the surface here so we can then take and scan these different elements within the environment. So we have Windows local accounts. These are local admin accounts, application app pools, scheduled tasks, and Windows services. All these will scan across the environment and pull back all these different accounts and objects they found into this network view that we're going to just see here. And then for this network view, what we can find here is we can see like service accounts. As we click on that, and we can see all the service accounts that are provided within the discovery process. We can also see computers, and we can see local admin accounts as well. But all this is provided within the discovery process of scanning a Active Directory IDP, so in identity provider. So that concludes this particular demo. Thank you.